This is a project I'm calling Bad Vibes. I took a lot from what I learned in my last project, A Model Society, to make this mobile game, which is more focused on treatment and addresses more of the individual psychological experience as opposed to the interaction of a multitude of individuals. In Bad Vibes, we have the red blob, which is the bad vibe, the sphere, which is the player, and the pillar, which is a model of the player's emotional state, motivational state, and personality. We also have the pill-shaped items, and these represent actions. These actions are defined by the player and can be updated, edited, or deleted during gameplay. It would help to refer back to my previous video about A Model Society for a basic rundown of the Ocean model of personality, the PAD model of emotion, and the ERG model of motivation. I will not delve too deep into these, but they are central to Bad Vibes. The rules of Bad Vibes are simple. The player loses health if they touch the bad vibe. The player's model, the pillar, loses PAD and ERG scores if the bad vibes touch it, and the player will lose immediately if they touch the model or avatar before it collects enough points to properly treat that model. The player collects points by colliding with the actions. The actions contain PAD and ERG values, which are depicted as the size of the spheres within the pill-shaped objects. The outline color of the pills represent the most dominant positive value across the PAD and ERG spectrums, and the colors of the spheres align with the colors of the PAD and ERG traits towards the top of the screen. When the player has collected enough points, it can collide with the model and apply the actions or steps to treat. Bad Vibes lets a player define their own personality according to the Ocean model, or take surveys to achieve a more objective look at the player's personality. The player can add actions as they like and set PAD and ERG values associated with that action as they see fit. For example, eating meets basic existence needs. It's pleasurable, but neutral in terms of arousal, dominance, and growth. Eating may also be social, so that might be a little bit in the positive range. Then again, some people prefer to eat alone, which is why I made it customizable. The player can define their current emotional state and motivational state in real time as well by using the sliders to set PAD and ERG values. The goal of this project is to create a simple, fun game to help users understand what works for them in terms of reaching their psychological equilibrium. The bad vibes represent the chaos factor of the real world, which often throw us off randomly.